This is August 13th, analysis for a trade I took earlier today before my rotary meeting. This is a 133 tick. You will see the market opened here. It had been down overnight, had Twin Peaks high and came down. You can see that on this 550 chart. That was the Twin Peaks, came down, went up, and went down again. Now, I didn't play again at the open, and I let it run. Here's 9:34 time. We had a nice run down to 9:37. The market was moving pretty fast. This was a Fed day. Went up, went down, went up, went down again. And I said, it just looks like it's going to go down for a long time here. So what I looked at is when it made a lower high here and used the previous high as a support, I got in short right here at 10:50, 10:04.50. Now what happened in the market went on down a ways, and I got out when I hit 10:01 on my bracket trading. It was almost a perfect bracket because we got out with a 3-point win, and the bracket saved me that time. And then after this point, I guess I could have gotten back in, but when the market gets with all these little colored lines all the way down, I'll move this up so you can see it, all the moving and fiddling around with the ergodic when it's moving too fast like that, I didn't want to take this additional trade here. This looked like it possibly could have turned into a ka-ching trade and gone back up. It looked like it could have gone all the way back to the first support, and I wasn't willing to take the risk. In retrospect, it went on down. It hit the overall low of the day and then sat here. Now I sat through this and watched this classic signal which we use, which is a divergence here with the ergodic, and didn't take that one either because I was not far enough away from the moving average. At 99 3/4, and we're down here at 98 1/4, we were not 2 points away from the moving average, so we don't take those. Because I had to leave, I actually did leave at this point, and if you look later on, we got a higher low bouncing off the same resistance as before, and then this shot up to the first support, and that would have been a nice move from 98.50 to 1,250, or 4 points. Now I point this out a lot in my course, but almost always on this 133, you can see I've got this 1, 2, 3 movement, okay? And then we come down and bounce off the 49 after it's crossed over the 89. And you make one more high usually here, and this is where it stopped for the day, and you got the divergence, and you can see it went down again. But it got pretty mushy in here because the Fed was going to make the announcement, and overall the day was really mushy after that. So I hope this helps. That was, my one trade for the day. And again, I only make, trade 2 or 3 times a week, and maybe 1, 2, or 3 trades. So as you get better at this, I hope these videos are helping you a little bit.